So anyway, hello, and I really am a bit sad today because I really like this. It's vacuum packed, and it's a good way to send coins because they're actually stiff, they don't move around. So this is a good way to send coins, and all these are half crown coins. Then I've got some banknotes, so this is going to have to be open. Don't worry about the coins in the background. So these are Chinese wushu. Got some half pennies, got some US coins, tokens, Iranian, and this is how I make my coin videos. It's just a mess, but now I've got to look for why. Okay, and as soon as you open it, that was a pity. I really like that, but I need to see what I've got. It's a bit hard to see what type of crowns I got. I've got two silver in there. Anyway, so these are pretty much uncirculated. They sell for about $10 to $20. So I purchased these ones for I think like $35 for the whole lot. I can't remember how much I paid for those. So I got 62. So if you need to know what mintages these are, you go to Numa Store or another catalogue. 57. Okay, this one's probably very fine. 51. Okay, here's another 53. So if you want a type collection, then this is what you get. At the moment, during January is probably the best time to buy coins. The market's down because everyone spent all their money on Christmas presents. Okay, 59. So all these are common. So these ones, in this condition, they probably sell for between $5 and $10. It was 64. And the 67 is the last year. So here's a nice coin. I actually quite like these large coins. Okay. Another one. And this is probably the most, the highest denominated coin in circulation. 1948. Let's have a look at the two silver. So well circulated. 1898. And this one is a 1902. So we've got Queen Victoria and Edward the 7th, and this one's a 92.5% silver. So I think the silver value is about, I think it's like $15 to $17 depending on the day. So that's why I got those. And let's have a look at banknotes. So here we have a Hong Kong 1 cent ripped. So this is probably from the 60s. So yeah, this is actually a real banknote. They were in use to 1996 when they demonetized them. Singapore $1. So this is the last $1. Has a black Nate turn. Quite a nice banknote, this series. And that one I got, so that one's probably worth a few dollars. A Chinese dancer. Then I have $2. I used to have this, but I sold it. So this is from the boat series. There's two different ones. I think there's like I can't remember the other colour. So this is probably purple. This is purple and printed by De La Rue. Qinggai Procession. It's a Chinese dragon. And that was introduced because they replaced the $1 banknote with a coin. They went in Malaysia, so this is a previous series. This is the paper coin. They introduced these ones to replace the coin they also issued in, I think they replaced it in 96 or something. So I got 3. This one's pretty much uncirculated. Only worth a few dollars. Yep, they're nice. And then they got so this is not a real banknote. This is you burn these banknotes for the dead. 10,000 Hell banknote. It's got this guy on it. Looks like People's Republic coat of arms. Anyway, that's an interesting banknote. Oh, interesting banknote for the dead. Then I got free Indonesian 1,000 rupiah, 92. So currently they use banknote and a coin. These ones are probably only worth a few dollars. 92 again. Okay, there's another date down here, so this is the actual date it's printed. So it's 98. It's 99. What date is this one? 2000. So this is the frozen date on all banknotes, and this is the actual date it's printed. So 98, 99, 2000. These are quite nice. So this one is a volcanic lake, the Nua Toba. And on this side we have Lompat Batu Polonius. So I'm not too sure where that is. Need to look it up. Then we have the previous series of, not previous, yeah, probably late to mid 2000s, 20 baht from Thailand, King Rama the 9th. So this is worth about $1, but if you're going to sell it, probably $2 to $3. Last one is a Fijian $1. So this is a bit damaged, which is a pity. And this is probably from the 70s. And on the back, we have beautiful scenes. So this is where a lot of people want to go to, just sit on the beach, watch someone go swimming in the water and getting eaten by sharks. After you've watched that, you sit back, you watch the water go out, and then you see the tsunami. Then you're like, how lovely, lovely, watching someone get eaten and drowning in a tsunami. Anyway, so that is my current coin lot. So basically, I'm just keeping this one $2. The rest of these, yeah, they're going back. Maybe I'll just sell these as a bulk lot. But the half crowns, my wife gets the silver coins, makes a happy wife, happy life. And these ones I'll probably just fling back on eBay for like $5 to $10 each. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it wasn't a little bit boring. Just remember, don't go swimming with sharks. And if the water goes out all of a sudden, then you know there's a tsunami. Thank you and goodbye.